This video I'm going to show you how you can add Solana wallets to Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now head over to your Trust Wallet. If someone tells you to send him or her your Solana wallet, what you're going to do now, you're going to click on this manage, right? So we want to add up the Solana to our Trust Wallet, and we are going to come on here and type in Solana, right? So it is sold, so we'll click on this. So we just added up the Solana to our Trust Wallet right now, and Solana is currently trading for $260, right? So if someone tells you to send him or her your Solana wallet address, this is what you're gonna do. Go to this manage crypto, turn on this Solana on, right? Then you can copy your wallet. You can click on this receive to copy your wallet and send to the person. So this is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.